Hi, I'm Jason with Straightline Performance. We're here to release a new product, our SmartWire reverse lights. Let's get into the details of the new SmartWire system here. Let's show you how it works and what it is. It's real simple. The SmartWire is an ECU-driven hand signal controller. All these fancy terms. Really, what does that mean? Is that we read the ECU and make decisions upon that. It is as simple as this. We've got our controller here, is plugged right into the ECU CAN port. You put the vehicle into reverse and the lights automatically turn on. It is a simple plug and play system. High-end, nice quality products. Piece of the wire harness, everything is shrink wrapped. We've got complete waterproof terminals, all the right lengths, all the wires are shielded. If you buy our kit with the lights, they're all premium lights that we have, all billet extrusion. They're high amperage, super bright as you've seen here in the beginning of the video. Easy plug and play when it comes to plugging all the lights in when you buy a complete kit. Nice thing about the SmartWire system, it comes basically two different ways. Number one is our base model. The base model comes with the fancy controller that reads the ECU and all the wiring with no lights. The other option out there is a complete package where some come with our premium dual lights you see here on the Ranger. Otherwise, they'll come with a single light maybe on the ATV or a couple other options that depending upon that year, make, and model. So again, the kit can come two ways. It is a unbelievably neat system. Let me show you some things it can do besides just turning the lights on in reverse. All right, as we get into the vehicle, real simply, we only need to start it for this option. We got our vehicle in park. As we just shift into reverse, instantly, our lights turn on. It is that simple. Back out, off, in, on. A very, very simple system at that point. What is real neat that you can do too is you can put the vehicle into neutral, hold the brake for 2 seconds, and it flips the lights on. You can now put the vehicle back in park while it's running, go back there and use the lights as you want. Basically repeat that process by going back into neutral, holding the brake again, and the lights will turn off and you're good to go. No switches, no controls. It's that simple. So vehicle started, we're in park, real simple. Put the vehicle in neutral, hold the brake, the lights will instantly turn on. Put the vehicle back in park, come on back here. Do what needs to be done, which is great. Super high bright setup. It's as simple as that. Now you can go back in the vehicle, put it back in neutral, hold the brake for 3 seconds, they'll turn off. Again, no switches, real simple to use. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Be sure to go to Straightline Performance with this hot new product, the SmartWire backup lights.